BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft rolled out their latest optional bug fix updates for Windows last week. And as I did post for Windows 11, that was update KB5016691. Now, last week as well, the same changes and improvements and bug fixes that did roll out for Windows 11 were also made, give or take, available for Windows Server 2022. And if we head to the release notes for the update 5016691, one of the improvements that was made available was this second new feature, which was an improvement that compresses a file regardless of its size if you have configured server message block SMB compression. And I did touch on that very briefly in the video I did post last week regarding the update. And that's because other than this very brief description in the release notes, Microsoft didn't give us any more information. Now, in case you were unaware what SMB compression is, a very simple example would be it's mainly used by IT admins and administrators that lets users and applications request file compression. So you can request a file to be compressed over a network, as an example, and that due to that file being compressed will then obviously reduce and save bandwidth. Now, a day after the update did roll out, Microsoft did upload this blog post dated the 26th of August, which says SMB compression behavior and settings changes. And they say here in this paragraph, there was an idiosyncrasy in the initial design that we changed with the release of Windows Server 2022. And that update that rolled out last week was KB5016693 for Windows Server 2022. And as mentioned for Windows 11, that update was KB5016691. Now, this is the improvement that was made for SMB compression. Microsoft says in this paragraph, from now on, if you request compression over SMB, we will attempt to compress the file regardless of its size or seeming suitability for compression. They carry on to say it doesn't matter how you request compression. Then they give a couple of examples: robocopy, share setting, registry values. We will try to compress the file. So in a nutshell, what the improvement is bringing is, according to Microsoft, it's going to save you time and bandwidth by trying to compress that file regardless of its size or suitability for compression. So in a nutshell, that is the improvement that was brought last week. And I will leave a link to this blog post in the description, as it will give you a lot more in-depth information in case that would be of interest. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.